Hi there, my name is Gurjeet, and today is a great day for the international students who are keen to study in Australia. There was a five big announcement were made today by the Honorable Education Minister of Australia. And let me study one by one so that we can all understand what these announcements means to us. So the breaking news is that the Australian government has opened student visa from India, but it doesn't mean that it is you know everybody's going to get the visa. You have to fulfill the GTE requirements. For that, you can contact us as in Sophiya Consultants or any agent which you like. So the good news is, which was that you can apply. The visas will be start coming. The second announcement is international students will be able to lodge future student visa application in case you are unable to travel back to Australia. Let's say you have received your visa today, but you are unable to travel. You are not able to travel back due to due to the COVID in your town or restrictions, or there may not be any flights going to Australia. It means you don't have to worry. Your visa duration is not being wasted. Let's say, for example, you have applied for bachelor's degree, which is 3 years, and you travel to Australia after 6 months. After you receive the visa, you travel after 6 months. So when you will be in end of your course, you need in a 6 months more visa. You can reapply that visa, but without any cost to you. That is a great news. The Australians has think far. The government of Australia has given a great gesture that they were not going to charge you any application fees for your delays, and they're accommodating your all the delays. The third is the current student visa holder who are stuck in India or anywhere in the world and unable to travel back to Australia to continue their studies. They can study online. This will not impact their post-study work permit. I would again repeat it. They can study online. It will not impact their post-study work permit. But the important point I would like to say here is, please pay your fees and get an active COE. Please pay your fees and get an active COE. So this is point number 3. The point number 4 is the graduate who after doing your graduation successfully in Australia and you came back to India to meet your parents or whatever the reasons are maybe, and you are not stuck, you are unable to go back. It means you have not lost an opportunity to apply your post-study work permit to get an Australian experience. You still will be considered and you can apply your post-study work permit visa from the authorized lawyer or by your own self in case if you have knowledge. So the point is, it is not lost opportunity. That is a great news for all the students who have studied and came back now stuck. They can apply their post-study work permit. So the fifth news is, let's say for example you are unable to give your examinations of English proficiency, PT or IELTS. Let's say for example in Punjab, we in Sophiya, we are the authorized PT testing center. So our center is open, but in case you are staying somewhere where there's no examination is being held or IELTS examination is not being held, so don't worry about it. You can pay your fees if the GT requirement, the rest condition you fulfill and you get your offer letters and all your other GT requirements are being fulfilled and the college issue you the offer letter and then you even also cleared your funds requirements, you can still apply for your visa. It means the embassy is going to give you more time so that you can your visa will not be refused on the basis of your English requirement that you have not submitted. So this is what I am getting it out of it, and these are the great 5 news which is going to give a lot of boost to the industry. And I would like to thank the Australian government as a consultant, because from the last 6 months we were waiting some good news to be there for the agents who are counseling the students and for the student community on the behalf of the student community also, I would say thanks, because their year is about to be wasted, and now this great news, these these 5 breaking news have helped the students who are the future students, the present students, and the students who have already, the past students also. They have taken care of everyone. So that is what Australia is as a nation, the great nation Australia is. And thank you to the government of Australia and Honorable Education Minister of Australia as well. Thank you so much. Take care.